Tomorrow will be better. P, Q, and R form a triangle. Show whether or not it is a right angle triangle. There's a bunch of mathematical problems which are 50% solved just by knowing the right formula to use. Follow me, dear friends. Solution. Let us draw an arbitrary triangle like this and represent this point here. We will have P, we will have Q, and we will have R. The question already told us clearly that it's a triangle. Now, how do we show that it's a right angle triangle? We know that for a traditional right angle triangle like this one, the longest side, the hypotenuse, the square of it must be equal to the opposite all square plus the adjacent also raised to the power 2. The question now is, how do we find these distances and check this out? So we will use the formula for calculating the distance between 2 points or between 2 coordinates, which says that for a point like P and Q, here is the formula, is equal to, now, the x-coordinate of the second point minus the x-coordinate of the first point all square plus the y-coordinate of the second point minus the y-coordinate of the first point, again all square. If you correctly apply this for PQ, we will have that it will be the square root of, here we will have x2 minus 2 minus x1 minus 3 all square plus y2 minus 3 minus y1 2 all square. And if you correctly do this, this should give you 7.07. We will do the same thing now for the point QR. QR, if you correctly do it, we are going to end up with 7.21, maybe centimeters if you want. And now for the last one, PR, which is this last one, if you correctly do this same thing, you will have 1.41 cm. Now this comes the right and crucial point of this problem. How do we check if it's a right angle triangle? Now look at the longest side here, which is this. You have to tell me if 7.21 raised to the power square will give us 7.07 all square plus 1.41 all square. If this equation is verified, then it is a right angle triangle. If it is not verified, it is not a right angle triangle. So tell us in the comment section if this is a right angle triangle or not. Tomorrow will be better.